Alright, hey y'all, excuse the bonnet, excuse all that. I just got done exercising doing all that. So first thing you want to do is wash your hands. Then you want to wash your face with hot water. You want to scrub it with hot water. Do not be scared, okay? But if you got bumps and stuff, be gentle. But if you don't got bumps, scrub all that dirt, scrub all that. And what you do to your face, you need to do to your neck. So as you can see, I am washing my neck as well. Then I'm going to use Ambi cocoa butter. That's that. Lather it all up, put it on your face. As you can see, I'm doing an upwards motion. You don't want to do a downwards motion because you don't want your face to be saggy and looking all old. So you want to do an upwards motion, and you also want to get the neck too. You're going to see that later on. Alright, so here's the trick, the exfoliating glove. You can get this from Bath and Body Works, and an exfoliating glove eliminates all the dead skin and just makes your skin soft and all that. So I'm going to exfoliate my face and my neck.
Knockout. You win.
I also put the Ambi on my arms, my back, and my chest because as you can see, I have acne there, and I use my little body scrub, little loofah thingy. Alright, I just got out the shower. Now I'm gonna wash all the Ambi off. Okay, so boom, after you do all that, you want to get your toner. I use a toner from CVS. You want to get your little cotton ball and, you know, put it all over your face and all over your neck and all that good stuff. Alright, so as you can see, it's not dirty, but if it was dirty, you would need to tone again. Okay, so as you can see, my moisturizers are gone. That's my favorite, so I'm gonna have to use a Mario Badescu, and that's almost gone too, child. So I'm just gonna have to dig, okay? And you just want to moisturize all your face, your neck, and do all that, okay? The end. That's how I'm looking. Alright, so that's all that I do to get glowy skin. My skin is already naturally oily, but as you can see right now, it's not oily, it's just glowing. So yeah, that's what I do. So get y'all some Ambi and all that other stuff, okay? I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to Jada TV. I'm on the road to 700 subscribers, so help me get there, okay? Send this video to your friend whose skin be dry and stuff, be cracking and all that. Send this to them, okay? Yeah, do it. If you're a true friend, send it to your friend and be like, you need to do this to your skin. It also takes away dark marks and all that other stuff. So yeah, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna see y'all later.